I recently went on a trip and wasn't eating the best, so I decided to go on a 24-hour full raw vegan fast. And the way that my body felt after this day was absolutely incredible. I made so many incredible dishes, from coconut yogurt parfait to savory raw vegan tacos with walnut meat crumbles and a delicious, incredibly creamy kelp noodle alfredo with marinated mushroom. This whole entire day I felt amazing. I had incredible recipes and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Please ignore the way my voice is sounding so rough. I just woke up and I am struggling right now. A struggle. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little cloth under my cutting board so that it can allow the board to stop moving, because I don't know if you noticed, the board was moving a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna start off my day with some fruit. I needed the vitamin C, I needed the hydration. If you viewed my recent video, it talks about how I just came back from a week-long road trip to Orlando, and I really needed to boost my immunity because I suffered from the AC there, going from humidity to AC, and also going to Universal, touching all those roller coasters, being around so many people. I need a huge immunity boost, and what better way to do it than with raw vegan foods. Gonna go ahead and make one of my favorite all-time raw vegan recipes. This is my marinated mushrooms recipe. I have been making this for years and it has been getting people attracted to it. It's so easy to make and so delicious, and the base is coconut aminos. Absolutely incredible. I love this here food, this here recipe. All of these recipes will be in my fully raw vegan no cook ebook. If you're interested in it, it will be linked in the description box down below. I'm using kelp noodles today. I'll never forget when I had kelp noodles in one of my videos and somebody was like, oh, this isn't raw, you use kelp noodles. Okay, and where did you see me cook them? Never, because I use lemon juice and baking soda to soften the noodles. There's no cooking involved. Clock it. Anyways, yeah, this is like a science project. It's super cool. I love the fact that it's able to be ready in like 30 seconds. It's basically zero carb and it's so healthy. I love it so much. I am using cashews to make this recipe. I'm not like a purist or whatever, so if you consider cashews not raw, that's like literally on you. If you want to, you can use almonds. You just have to soak them for a long time and they might be able to give you the same consistency, okay? So I don't want any comments saying cashews are raw. You can always use whatever you wish. You can use almonds, you can use pecans, you can use walnuts. It's all up to you, babes. This recipe was unstoppable, unbelievable. I'm actually about to make it now when I finish this voiceover. This recipe was so incredibly delicious, so easy to make, and I made it for a meat eater and they also loved it. If wanna try anything else, you have to try this. I went ahead and poured out some freshly pressed apple juice to enjoy with my noodles, and yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and focus on making some delicious fruit sorbet. It's summer, it's officially summer. Summer solstice happened and it's time to enjoy some cold items. That being some cold ice cream made from fresh fruit, aka sorbet. This video today is sponsored by Coovings. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And I will be using the Coovings Auto 10 Plus juicer to make this frozen fruit sorbet. So you might be wondering, Tiffany, how does a juicer deal with, handle, and create sorbet? Like, how did you do it? I'm switching from the nut milk / cold pressed juice strainer to the sorbet strainer, and that's literally just it. It's so simple and so easy, and all I have to do is allow my fruit to defrost a little bit and I get fully raw, vegan, nutritious, healthy, and delicious frozen fruit sorbet in a few minutes. What I love about this juicer is that it has a warranty of 15 years. It has amazing customer service, and it also comes with a stainless steel blade. A lot of other cold pressed juicers on the market do have a plastic blade, but this juicer does come with a stainless steel blade. When it comes to making sorbet, there is no pulp involved. Everything gets pulverized into the sorbet, so you're getting a chance to enjoy the full benefits of the fruit. I did not eat this with any sugar or any agave. I just ate it straight as, and it was so delicious and so healthy. I let mine melt just a little bit too long, but you can actually refreeze it and put it in the freezer, which is what I'm going to be doing. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out my link in the description box, Ital Eats, and they're currently having an amazing sale that will be ending in the beginning of July. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out, and you can use my code at checkout.
We day alright, body done form not to play all night on that. Baba, we day alright, loud that tune and I see my fresh white, my pockets on large. Every man post for the corner all light. One man thing, now somebody fight. Real man thing, bandit. Should I me they find you? Why gotta try when you know give body? Say make I mind you. Girl, I don't try, but you know send nobody.
I decided to make this matcha with a orange Julius creamsicle milk that I had made the day before. That was really tasty. If you are interested in all my other matcha recipes, I have like a sorrel matcha, I have a plantain matcha, I have a strawberry ice matcha. All of my matcha recipes are absolutely fire. I will be including those in the description box down below, so you can check them out, so you can get all those recipes.
Like you, so make we dance, no romance. So, make me dance, make we dance. Baby girl, make we dance. All my days in life, no balance. All of them, man, no balance. All my game, make we dance. Baby girl, make we dance. Oh, all my this life, no balance. All of them, man, no gallant. Oh,
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare some of my walnuts for my walnut meat or walnut crumble, because I know some people don't like to use the term meat when we're dealing with nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my ingredients for my tacos. The filling is gonna be filled with sage, which added an absolutely amazing and delicious and sophisticated herbal taste, some cherry tomatoes for a touch of sweetness and acidity, and some red cabbage to add to a more filling and satiating substance.
Oh baby, so make me dance, so I'ma get make me dance. All of them mans no get chance, so baby them no get chance. I know they like you, ain't no other shorty like you. So make we dance, your romance, so I'ma get make me dance.
You guys, I'm really not sure what my favorite recipe was of today. I feel like I really put my foot in my heart and my soul into these recipes today. By the way, sorry about the camera not being focused on the food. It was focused on the plate, but not the food, lol. But yeah, I feel like I really put my heart and my soul into these recipes. And a lot of people might say, oh, vegan recipes are gross, raw vegan recipes are disgusting. But like, if you really cook like you love yourself and like you love the people you're serving, the recipes will come out absolutely delicious. Off my day with my favorite hobbies like word search puzzles, watching my current favorite show, which is Dragon Ball Z, gaming on my Switch and my 3DS. It's so important to make sure that we have time for our hobbies after we have a hard, long day of work. Eating healthy can only do so much. Stress is genuinely a killer, and if you're not taking the time to have 8 hours of sleep a night and doing things that interest you and your own hobbies, then that can be detrimental to your health. I always end off my nights gaming and doing my favorite hobbies, and I hope you have the time to do stuff like that too. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!